So me and my friends went out for the scenic off-road ride. This was one of the valley obstacles that came across, and I thought, you know what? Instead of taking the normal route, why don't I just take the difficult one, get in and out of the valley? So the reason why my bike skid, or the reason why the impulse could not climb the incline, is because, not with reference to the way it's designed or the power, my tires were basically worn off to a large extent, so it just could not grip the mud or the wet soil over there. Now, in the end, what I intended to do was a 360. So I locked my rear tire, and for some reason, I pressed the front brake as well to a small extent that locked my front tire up, and I fell on my wrist. Yes, I did get a fracture on my wrist, and the impact was pretty bad.